guys, welcome to Ideal Color Paint Mixing TV. For today's video we will mix Candy Pink Urethane Paint. Candy Pink is a bright pink inspired by the color of hard sugar candles. It belongs to the family magenta. Okay, let's start. Our client ordered 250 grams of Candy Pink Urethane Paint Mix. Let's start by pouring 2K Urethane Magenta. Then let's add 2K Urethane Chromato Mica Violet. Stir the paint very well. Let's also add Candy Red Toner. Stir the paint very well. It's more darker. Let's add more mica violet. Okay, let's see if we got the right shade of Candy Pink. Yes, it's Candy Pink. Already! Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.